In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line chart in Google Sheets. To get started, open your Google Sheet that contains the data you want to visualize. Make sure the information is already organized in a way that makes sense for a chart, because line charts work best when you're showing changes over time or comparing trends across a sequence of values. Once your sheet is open, click and highlight the data you want to turn into a line chart. Be careful to select the full range you need, including the labels that help identify what each row or column represents. Choosing the right data range at the beginning makes the chart much easier to format correctly later. After your data is selected, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the options that appear, choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart for your selected data and open the chart editor, usually on the right-hand side of the screen. At this point, the chart may not yet be a line chart, so the next step is to open the chart type dropdown in the chart editor. This menu lets you switch between different visual formats depending on how you want your data displayed. From that list, click Line Chart. As soon as you select it, your chart will update to show the data as a line chart. Next, in the chart settings, click the option to use row 2 as headers if that box is currently unchecked. This helps Google Sheets understand that the text in that row should be treated as the series names rather than as regular data. Then click the option to use column A as labels again if it is unchecked. This tells Sheets to use the values in the first column for the horizontal axis, which usually makes the chart much easier to read. Once those settings are in place, you can edit anything else you want on your line chart. This is where you can fine-tune the appearance and make sure the chart communicates your data clearly. For example, you can review the title, colors, or other display settings available in the editor. Even small adjustments can make the chart more polished and easier to understand. When you're happy with the result, click the X in the top right corner of the chart editor to exit. Your line chart will remain in the sheet, and you can move or resize it if needed. And that's how to create a line chart in Google Sheets. With the right data selected and the correct label settings turned on, you can make a clear, professional-looking chart in just a few clicks.